Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a day in the life. I want to take you along with me because it's my little sister's, I say little, she's a grown woman. It's my little sister's baby shower, and I thought it'd be kind of fun and exciting to show you all the decor and, you know, all the fun stuff. So hopefully this will turn out interesting.
Will you take part in my life, my love? That is my dream.
Of course, the first thing I do anytime my family has a party is make a large vat of macaroni and cheese. I am the only one in my family that understands the ratio of noodles to butter to the copious amount of cheese that I use in my macaroni and cheese. If you can stir your macaroni and cheese without bending your spoon, then you're not adding enough cheese, guys.
Always try to give, don't ever take it. I just what I dream, it's what you make it. Always try to give, don't ever take it. Life has its music.
You guys, this is the first 2-pound bag of 9 pounds of cheese that I am adding to my macaroni and cheese. 9 pounds, guys.
Life has its songs of love.
If you guys are ever in doubt, just add more cheese. More cheese, guys.
Always try to give, don't ever take it. I just what I dream, it's what you make it. Always try to.
Right here is what I got my sister, forever loved by Auntie, and then I got her these little ruffle butt pants. This cute little striped romper with a little ruffle and little bows and like little moccasins. Of course, Rae Dunn card. This cute little black and white little romper. This outfit I love, the buffalo check with the little heart. It's so sweet. With these little bear shoes. And then of course, a pack of hangers so she can hang everything up. Just got home from my sister's baby shower. It was gorgeous. I haven't filmed my Rae Dunn video for tomorrow, so that's gonna be interesting. And I just wanted to show you my new lights that I purchased so that you guys can see me better. Poor Rob. And my wonderful husband is going to set them up for me. Okay guys, behind the scenes of me trying to shoot my Rae Dunn video at night. I'm not sure if it's going to reflect bad in my china cabinet or not, but we will have to see. Here is a sneak peek. Whoa, I need to white balance. Here's a sneak peek of all my goodies. Well, I say sneak peek, but you won't see this until after I've shot my video.
If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. If you haven't already, I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.